we're gonna try moving down the hill. Plan is to go up this way so we can back down that way. Slow, Steve. He's got it. Look at that. Let's try that. Good job, handsome. I only got some of that on video. I thought I was taping more than I did. But you did an awesome job.
I'm impressed, even with myself.
Let's see.
This is completely level, right?
100% level. I don't know about front to back. I need to grab my phone.
We can go back another...
Do you want to?
It seems precarious. I'd rather go back a little bit more.
Okay, well I was leaving it so that the stabilizers can come down.
Oh, we're gonna put those down? Okay, that's fine. Well then
that's better, right?
we have to leave it here.
Yeah.
If you want the stabilizers down, yes.
Okay. Meanwhile, look at this view from our window. That is pretty spectacular. One of our better views.
Another pro tip that we learned the hard way. Well, I guess I can't say the hard way. 2 sets of blocks always helps, because sometimes you're not necessarily level front to back and your stabilizers might not come all the way down, or you might not want them to come all the way down because it creates some wiggle in the stabilizers if it's down too far. So the more blocks you have, the more flexibility you'll have with keeping your rig stable.
Meanwhile, you know how we learned that? We learned that from Bottom Mount in Idaho. I'll put the link up above. Yeah, that wasn't good. And the only way we got out of there is that someone else brought over their set of blocks, and between the two of us, we like crept the Airstream up with 2 sets of blocks. So after that, we ordered a new one, and we always have 2 sets of blocks now.
Our first night's sleep at a Harvest Host was a success. We were right outside of their tasting room here. I asked them if they live here. They go, no. I go, do you live over there? There's another structure over there. They go, no. We have a 5,000 square foot house with 5 bedrooms for 2 people. So that's where they live. But let me show you what we're looking at. Right outside of our Airstream. Vineyards that they own are all down here. You see the fog behind it. That is one of the coolest sunrises I think we've ever seen, especially this year. Come inside and coffee's being poured. Well, tea.
And coffee.
And coffee.
Nice night and pretty nice view to wake up to. That's gorgeous.
That's right.
That's gorgeous.
And on that note, we're leaving today. This was only an overnight, but we're going to a campground next, somewhere down in Oregon, Central Oregon.
On the coast.
Gold Coast, Gold
Beach.
Gold Beach. Gold Beach. You can tell I have no idea what's going on in this family. Gold Beach campground, right on the coast.
And away we go again. Gotta watch that hitch, gets a little low there. And goodbye, vineyard. What a lovely way to spend the night. Fueling up. One of the few times we actually stop with the RV. So we stopped at a Flying J, makes it nice and easy.
Oh, I'm in my element. Football is on, I'm able to stream Red Zone, we're in our campsite. And by the way, this campground I already love. So, my beautiful bride played it exactly right.
I didn't mean to do this.
She booked a site that was too small for us. It was a 28-foot site, and we have a 30-foot / 28-foot trailer.
Okay, so we have booked 28-foot sites before and been absolutely fine. This one just has a weird hill in these trees. So when the guy comes out to escort us to our site, he's like, "Did you book this online?" It's like, "Let me see what I can do." So he moved us to a bigger site right next to the other one we were going to be at. One of the better sites, he says. No change in the charge, which is why I booked the 28-foot to begin with, because the bigger ones were more money. So I was like, we can fit in a 28, no problem. Well, we didn't have to. So Glenn at Honey Bear by the Sea, best camp host so far ever. Ever.
It helps when you give us free stuff. We'll just sing your praises all day long. He says this is one of the most sought after spots, and I can see that. I mean, you're in the privacy here. Look at all those trees right above us, and we don't care about solar because we have 30 amp as well as water here. Oh, Penny's getting her shirt taken off, and she's shaking. Yes, so this is, so far, this is a really nice, quiet campground. We were unsure about how well we were going to be able to stream, but our WeBoost 4GX, once again, is making it easy enough to stream live television, which we don't need very often, but it's football season, so therefore I do.
The drive was beautiful and pretty easy, kind of long, but pretty easy, which was longer because I had to take us a longer route to get to the coast than what Google Maps wanted, but it was a safer route for the RV, and as I teach in the course, you gotta look for what you need to do with an RV and not just take Google's shortest route.
Course plug.
So that's what we did, and it worked out great.
We're at the beach. The waves are rough today. First rainy day in a while. And I guess we're gonna close the video here, but I'm gonna leave you with some B-roll, probably slow-mo B-roll from the camera. And I don't know what we're gonna do here yet, but the next few videos you'll find out, and I guess so will we. I guess Courtney doesn't have much to say.
We'll figure it out. Today, we're gonna get work done and stay inside and be warm and cozy and enjoy.
Be warm and cozy.
The rain, and yeah.
Highs are in the 50s for the next few days, so.
Feels like fall.
This is Oregon.
Well, this feels like
Pacific
fall.
Northwest anyway. All right.
See you there.
See ya.